What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here at my boy's house. He's about to put in my new Galfer USA rotors, and I got a special surprise for you guys. My new custom shift link that actually came in a couple days ago. I ordered this actually in December. It's a custom made shift link. I'm gonna try to put the link down below. If you ever need anything, just let them know that Barber CVO actually sent you. Okay. So this is the existing shift link that I'm gonna replace, and I'm about to show you guys the new shift link. Okay, so this is where the actual custom shift link is gonna go. About to hook it on right there. Great material, good thickness. Trying to see if I can get, look at that. You ain't gonna find a better job than that, guys. This is the real deal. So like I said, that's gonna go there. Bong. I'll show you a video when I'm done. And also the Galfer USA rotors are going to be changed as well. All right, we'll be back with the final product. thank you guys for watching. We dropped off the bike here at the car wash here in Secaucus, and they're gonna detail it up for you. I'm gonna get a ride home. That's how they do it here, right? Like, subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think about the video, right? Peace. All right, I'm getting a ride here to my house, servicing by Secaucus Car Wash. So if you ever need a wash, stop by there, check it out, talk to Pat. If you guys want to detail your motorcycles, also definitely hit him up, Secaucus Car Wash. All right.